Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into something truly unique. A retro-style micro-camper van that blends nostalgic charm with modern luxury. This isn't just a camper, it's a rolling piece of art. And today, you'll get a full tour inside and out. At first glance, the two-tone cream and soft green paint instantly catches your eye. With its rounded edges and vintage design, it feels like stepping back in time, but with a sleek, modern twist. Parked in a stunning high-end lobby, the polished marble floors make this camper look like it belongs in an art gallery. Walking around, you'll notice solar panels mounted on the roof, a touch that makes this camper as practical as it is beautiful. The small entry door is open, inviting you to peek inside. And trust me, the interior is just as impressive as the exterior. Once you step inside, you're welcomed by clever, small space design. A cozy seating area features 2 cushioned chairs and a compact table, making it perfect for morning coffee or late-night chats. The mix of cream and soft green accents ties the whole theme together, creating a calm and refreshing vibe. The wooden cabinets add warmth while maximizing storage, and even though the space is compact, it never feels cramped. White curtains let in soft, filtered light, while warm, ambient lighting creates the perfect atmosphere. It's the kind of place you could easily spend hours unwinding in. Every detail has been thought out, from the polished wood flooring to the vintage-style lamp on the side table. It's a camper that combines practicality, comfort, and pure retro charm, all in one small but powerful package. Imagine taking this on the road. You'd have everything you need in a compact space, powered by solar energy, with an interior that feels like a boutique hotel room. It's functional, stylish, and endlessly cozy. If you love unique vehicles that combine design and innovation, this micro camper van is a perfect example. It proves that you don't need a huge space to live comfortably, you just need smart design and a touch of creativity. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Would you take this retro camper on your next road trip, or do you prefer something bigger? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because I'm curious what you think. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more unique vehicle showcases, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.